Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get the train. Yeah, up up, so make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so here I show you. So it's not in the castle. So if you come over here, nothing, you just nothing. So if you come over here, just station, and station, and then you can do whatever you want. But if you want to drain it, say, you in the top, and begin. Yeah, okay. 50, 25. Steve. So, and then you get a house, and then you press this one. My new house, and there's like a lot of things. I'm gonna let you guys explore the room. This is I don't know anybody else. Okay, so hopefully that. Bye.